You're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can make dull images on photos, how you can make them sharper. And the tool we are going to be looking at today is called Let's Enhance.io. Let's Enhance.io. And before you can start, you need to register an account, so you can click on the Start Free to register a free account for yourself. And once you have done that, it's very simple. Just go through the registration form, fill in your details, and then log in. Once you have logged in, you will come to bring you to this page, and you have some free credits. Free credits you can use for your images enhancements. So I'll be picking an image here. I have one image here. It's just 13.5 kilobytes. And when you zoom in, you see that it's getting really dull. So we want to make it very sharp. So I'll be just come to the box here, the images to process. So you can either drop the image directly, or you can click on browse to locate where your file is on your system or even your phone. And this is the image that I'll be using, so I'll click on open. So this image has been brought here. You can see the details of the image, 365 by 200 pixels. So we want to enhance this image. Now if you look at this right side here, you see smart in size, you see smart enhance, so you can use any one you prefer to use there. Also, their details are when you click on that small eye beside it, you see you can read up on the differences of each of them, and you can use it for your and choose it for to follow up with the image that you want to enhance. So I'm using the Smart Precise option here for my upscale type. Then the size is, when it's on auto, I can see that it said input is 365 by 200 pixels and the output is 712 by 400. That means it's multiplying the image by 2. It's getting the resolution times 2. So you can use the custom size also, where you can say I want it times 4, not times 2, and I also want it times 6. And also want to use the width and height, where you be the one to impute your width and height directly. Then you can use you can use it under the Smart Resize. So you have to change your upscale type to use that. So I think I'm where to use this. Let's use this times 4. And there are other options underneath there also. If you also remove the background of that image, you can click on this. If you want to lighten it more, you can play around with this. So, but for me, you're only enhancing the picture to make it more sharper. So I'll just click on Start Processing. Start Processing. So it doesn't take too long before it processes it. And you can see when you come under my images, you see the image. You said will be ready in about few minutes. So I'll pause this video to allow this to finish, and then I come back to finish. Now video image is ready, so I'll click this button here to download it, so we can view the results. Okay, so we have now 168 kilobytes. So you can see the image has become more sharper. It's coming. This is the former image, and this is the new image. So if you feel that the image is too distorted, you can go ahead and reduce the multiplicator factor here. You can use the times 2 and get a better result. So that's how to use this image enhancement website. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, get more amazing videos. Thank you.